Hi guys, it's Roo here from Prepare Camping. And recently I was told about a deal that Aldi were doing where they were selling a cheap axe for £5. So I thought I'd go and check it out. So this is what it looks like. Now the reason why they can make this so cheap is because it's a mass import from China. You can see here it's only £4.99. It's got a fibreglass handle and the head weighs about a pound. At this price point you're not expecting much. I mean, £5 is very cheap. And it does say on the packaging that for safety reasons it's supplied partially sharpened. So, you know, there's not going to be any sort of decent edge on this. But the head itself isn't symmetrical, and as we know it's fairly blunt. But let's have a little play and see what it's like. Now this is quite blunt straight out of the packet, as we can see, but I think that's quite good actually. I mean, it's a £5 axe, so it's cheap. Which is good, because it means you've got the opportunity to practice sharpening an axe without ruining something that might cost you 50 quid or more. So there you go, that's what it's like straight out of the packet. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and who knows, maybe subscribe. Till next time, take care.